Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So the new data updated you today is that Hugo Prosi called final Bafana squad for 2025 AFCON qualifiers versus Uganda and South Sudan. I started with goalkeepers. Romain Williams from Mamelodi Sundowns, Sergio Stevens from Stellenbosch FC, Sipho Cheyenne from Orlando Pirates, Senior Mobi from SuperSport United, Muthobi Mvala from Mamelodi Sundowns, Raushin Dottley from Kaizer Chiefs, Kosnathi Sibisi from Orlando Pirates, Oprimo Deba from Mamelodi Sundowns, Kholoso Mudau from Mamelodi Sundowns, Fawzin Pasadine from Stellenbosch, and Siyabonga Ngezana, midfielders. Tebogo Mokoena from Mamelodi Sundowns, Batuts Opas from Mamelodi Sundowns, Luke Leroux, Talent Mbata from Orlando Pirates, forwarders. Mihlali Mayambela, Oswin Apoli from Polokwane City, Patrick Maswangai from Orlando Pirates, Elisa Mukwana, Tsapelo Morena from Mamelodi Sundowns, Rebohile Mufokeng from Orlando Pirates, Evidence Mahopa from Orlando Pirates, Ikram Reyners from Mamelodi Sundowns. So if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.